Hello, in this video I'm going to compare the difference between an expert level quality control professional and a non-expert quality inspector. If you're a hiring authority and you never hire this type of worker, no worries. This is simply an example to better understand the skills alignment matrix. Of course, quality is important within all business, and quality control is a well-established profession. On the skills alignment matrix, they usually land in the upper left box. These are traditional institution-guided experts doing work that fits well within industry standards. Quality control professionals do inspection, documentation, analytics. They have a scientific and systematic approach to everything. Their conclusions wind up in formal reports, which are shared with others within the company. They help fix things that are broken, and they help with long-term improvements. Our educational institutions guide all of this. A quality control expert with an appropriate degree and good experience will be taken seriously by any company in need of these skills. Let's look at quality inspection. Product inspection is often very time-consuming and pushed off to unskilled or semi-skilled workers. On the skills alignment matrix, quality inspectors often fall in the bottom right box. This work is structured, repetitive, task-oriented, and company process-driven. It is not unusual for companies to hire quality inspectors and give them way more responsibility than their capabilities. If a quality inspector is doing analytics or lab work, they're being thrown in the upper right box of the skills alignment matrix. They are flying fish. It is possible for flying fish to find success, but it's important that management understands what they're doing, provides proper guidance, and compensates when there is success. There is one last thing I wanted to show you. That's the platypus. The platypus is an individual that is both a traditional institution-guided expert and an unconventional expert, both at the same time. On the skills alignment matrix, they take up the top left 4 boxes. An example of a platypus would be a quality control professional that works in environments that are unstructured, complex, creativity-driven, strategy-dependent, and project-oriented. An example of a platypus would be a quality control professional who can not only find flaws in a product, but help design improvements. That's all I have for right now. For more information on unconventional experts and the skills alignment matrix, go to cultureofexperts.com. For more information on top recruitment, go to humancastle.com. My name is Martin Haslinger. Thank you.